Hey everyone, welcome to the Whaler channel. Today I'll show you how to remove the shortcut virus from your flash drive. Let's open CMD and check which letter your flash drive is assigned. Mine is D, so I'll type D in the command prompt. Now we've selected disk D. In my case, it's a flash drive. Okay, now let's enter the command. Type del asterisk lnk and hit enter. Press enter. There. Now for the next command. Type attrib srh asterisk. Asterisk per s per day and press enter. That's it. This was Whaler. Like and subscribe to the channel. Have a great life. Good luck to all. See you later.